All. Today we are making corn special dish which is corn kebab. So let's start with the recipe. For this we require 1 cup of boiled corn and we will grind it. For that we'll add it in grinder pot. Then we will add 1 chili and do not grind it in a smooth paste. Just roughly coarse it so that we'll get a corn crunch in our kebab. So after grinding, we'll add 3 boiled mashed potatoes in it. 3 boiled potatoes are enough for 1 cup of corn. Then we will add some green chili and some ginger in it. Now we'll take 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped capsicum and some beans and coriander. We will add all this in our mixture. Just remember, you can add any vegetables you want. You can add broccoli, you can add carrot, you can add anything you want. Here we are adding some salt. Now I am adding chili flakes and then some oregano, and we'll add some chaat masala in it and then some dhania powder. Here 1 teaspoon of rice flour I am adding for binding. Then this is Amul processed 1 cheese cube I am adding. This is optional guys. Then just mix all the ingredients. If you want to deep fry it, then you have to add 1 more teaspoon of the rice flour. Our mixture is ready and I am taking here some vermicelli and just crush it in small pieces. To make a kebab, just apply some oil on your palm and give it in any shape. I am giving it a cylindrical shape. You can give heart shape, you can give tiki like shape, any shape you want. As I am shallow frying it, I am not using all-purpose flour over here. If you are planning to deep fry it, then just coat it with the all-purpose flour, then just rough in a chopped vermicelli and then just deep fry it. So like this I have made all my kebabs. It's time to shallow fry our kebab. For that we will require our pan. Then I am adding here 3 teaspoons of oil in it. Just let it heat for some time. Then place our kebab in it. And always remember to add kebab in preheated oil only, not in a cold oil. So after that we'll let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes from one side. Then we will turn it from another side. And it's okay if some kebab get cracked or something. And as here I'm not added that much binding agent. However, if you are planning to deep fry it, then just make sure you add some more rice flour in it. Our kebab are ready. Just serve with them some nachos and enjoy.